Hello everyone and welcome to our next session on creating an event-aware component. Welcome to this hands-on session where we'll create an event-aware component in React covering a variety of events including window, mouse, keyboard, form, storage, media, drag, and clipboard events. Let's look into a hands-on creating an event-aware component. Inside the components directory, create a new file named event-aware-component.js. In this code, we define a functional component named event-aware-component. We use the use effect hook to handle window and storage events. We define functions to handle various other events. In this code, we use the use effect hook to add event listeners for resize and scroll events. These listeners log messages to the console when the window is resized or scrolled. Here, we define functions to handle click and mouse over events. These functions log messages when the component is clicked or hovered over. We define a function to handle key down events, logging the key that was pressed. In this function, we prevent the default form submission behavior and log a message when the form is submitted. We use the use effect hook to add an event listener for storage changes, logging a message when the storage is changed. These functions log messages when media playback is started or paused. We define functions to log messages during the drag and drop process, including drag start, drag over, and drop events. These functions log messages when content is copied or pasted. Then, we attach the event handlers to the respective elements in the JSX. For example, in div tag, we add onClick equal to handleClick, onMouseOver equal to handleMouseOver, onKeyDown equal to handleKeyDown, onDragStart equal to handleDragStart, onDragOver equal to handleDragOver, onDrop equal to handleDrop, onCopy equal to handleCopy, onPaste equal to handlePaste. In form tag, we add onSubmit is equal to handleSubmit. And in video tag, we add onPlay equal to handlePlay and onPause equal to handlePause. In the JSX return statement, we attach the respective event handlers to the div, form, and video elements. Next, let's import and use event-aware component in our main application component. Open your main application component file, typically app.js, and update it as follows. Here, we import event-aware component and include it in the JSX code of our app component. Now, let's test our component. Run your React application using npm start and interact with the component by clicking on it, hovering over it, typing in it, submitting the form, resizing the window, scrolling, playing or pausing the video, dragging over it, dropping items, copying, and pasting content. Check the console output to see the corresponding event messages. Feel free to experiment further with other events and event handling techniques to enhance the interactivity of your components. That's all for this session. Thank you.